everybody, I'm back, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite 3D nail art things. If you're new here, welcome to the Nail Coven. Today I'm going to show you some 3D acrylic nail art. When I first started doing nails, this is one of the first things I taught myself because I had to have it. I thought it was so cool and I would do it all the time, and everywhere I went people would ask me about it and ask how did I do that? Well, I'm going to show you right now. So what we are doing today is an acrylic 3D bow. They look super cute when you put them right here on your nail. It's just a very cute, and it just goes really well, especially with like a stiletto shaped nail. It's one of my favorite looks. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. And I'm working on a little tip today. I am going to prep this tip like it was a natural nail, just by running my file over it. I like odd color combinations, so I'm going to do the nail in this lilac color, and then I'm going to do the bow in this neon green color. This is called Toxic Apple from Naio Nails, and this is Pastel Lilac by Naio Nails. And I will put everything I'm using in the description below. So I'm just gonna put the acrylic down like normal right now. And just like you were doing a client, I'm going to put some clear on top of this so we don't file away the color. Let that set up, and while that is setting up, we are going to prepare our bow. We're going to use an acrylic 3D brush, and we need something kind of shiny to work on, so we're going to use the paper that the form comes off. And take the form off. Don't need that, you can toss that. And we are going to be working on the shiny side of the paper, so the part that the form came off of. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make 2 little diamonds. And we're gonna shape this. Going to kind of lift this side up, a little wet with our brush. I'm going to pick up one side, then wiggle your brush underneath to flip it over. Put some pressure there to make it stay. Then use the tip of your brush to kind of lift, create a curve. Okay, can you see that? We've created one half of the bow there, and we're going to do that again. Easier for me to lift it from my right side since I'm right-handed, so I'm going to turn the paper around and then get a lip up there. And now I am going to push these together and line them up. Now I'm going to get some more acrylic, and we're going to create like a little button in the middle to hold the 2 pieces together. Let that sit for a second before we start working it, so it kind of molds around the 2 pieces we put together, kind of like when you see the shininess going away. And just kind of tap it on each side so that it's not like a perfectly round circle. Bows usually have like a ribbon in the middle, and you can see that it's going around the parts that are twisted. So we want to kind of mold it into more of a long oval. Okay, so that's still kind of setting. So while this is finishing up setting, we are going to file up our nail. Make sure this is set. I'm sure it is. Yep. Alrighty, I'm going to top coat this like normal. Right, now we are going to attach the bow to the nail. I'm going to get a little bit of clear acrylic to attach it. I'm going to pick up the bow with some tweezers, or if you're talented, your hands. Stick it on there. Kind of place it where you want it, and then you can wipe away any excess clear acrylic. But so I think I put just the right amount on, so I don't have anything to take away. Let that set up, and there we have it, our 3D bow. I don't know, still don't know how to make this camera focus. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I think it's cute. I really like the color combination. I think I might, maybe. Obviously, I like a different shaped nail, but can you imagine that on, this looks like a thumb. Can you imagine that on your, that'd be cute, right? So yeah, give this a try, upload it to Instagram, tag me so that I can see how it went, and that will do it for me today. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. It's how I decide what kind of videos to make. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you'll know when I upload new videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.